Introducing the Logitech ERGO K860 wireless ergonomic keyboard paired with the Lift Vertical Ergonomic Mouse, a revolutionary solution designed to elevate your everyday computing experience. This two-in-one package is engineered with your comfort and productivity in mind, combining cutting-edge ergonomic technology with smart design to address the challenges of prolonged computer use. Starting with the keyboard, it is built around a curved, split keyframe that encourages you to type in a more natural posture. This design minimizes muscle strain on your wrists and forearms, providing a noticeable improvement over traditional flat keyboards. The addition of a pillowed wrist rest, featuring a memory foam layer, results in 54% more wrist support and remarkably reduces wrist bending by 25% compared to standard keyboards lacking such an ergonomic feature. Furthermore, each key is meticulously sculpted with a scooped shape that matches your fingertips, ensuring you have the perfect stroke at your command with precision and fluidity. Adjustable tilt legs allow you to choose from 0, -4, and -7 degree angles, enabling you to maintain optimal wrist comfort whether seated or standing. Turning to the mouse, the Logitech Lift is a breath of fresh air for those who struggle with the discomfort of extended desk hours. Its vertical design is a standout feature, promoting a natural forearm posture and alleviating tension typically experienced with conventional mice. With a softly textured grip and a thumb rest engineered for snug support, the mouse ensures that every click feels as comfortable as it looks. The 57-degree angle of the device positions your hand in a relaxed and natural posture, significantly reducing the common strain issues associated with long-term computer use. Customizable buttons, whisper-quiet clicks, and a smooth smart wheel add to the user-friendly features, making it easier than ever to navigate through tasks seamlessly. In real-life scenarios, this duo proves itself as a sharp competitor against other ergonomic products. The integrated designs and attention to detail place Logitech ahead in the market, offering balanced benefits with minimal drawbacks. While some might find the unconventional vertical design of the mouse slightly unusual at first, most users quickly appreciate the long-term comfort benefits. Tips for firstly adjusting to the devices include spending time experimenting with the ergonomic settings, such as the adjustable keyboard tilts and customizable mouse buttons. Taking short breaks and gradually increasing usage periods can also enhance your transition to these products. Overall, the Logitech ERGO K860 and Lift Vertical Ergonomic Mouse Set is highly recommended for professionals, creative workers, and anyone striving for a blend of comfort and efficiency in their work environment. With its intelligent design aimed at reducing strain and enhancing natural posture, it is an investment in your long-term productivity and well-being.